Xylos, keeper of the pathways.
I have watched stars condense and galaxies fall, yet nothing matches a human learning to sit still. We name the tiger, map the scars in your brain. Patanjali's aprons, neurological protocol for tiger removal. You cannot rewire a leaking vessel, so first we forge the flame. Temper the nervous system till it can hold the same.
The body, effortless.
The Yama tends the god in Santosha show.
Surrender where you stand.
Asana stable and sweet. Stirasa Kamasana. Pranayama masters the wind.
The tiger has no place to land.
It started small, just whispers.
Every harsh word,
But the more I spoke my truth, the stronger the feeling became.
Every dopamine grass keeps the sympathetic on repeat. Truth telling for 30 days, and the nervous system learns to trust. Contentment stirs the craving, Santosha turns like to dust.
Sits into the pelvic floor, pulses fine, remembers Dragon Ball. One long exhalation, Bacchus sings, the body comes home. Ujjaina Dishodhana, controlled Kumbhaka fire. 14 minutes retention, suddenly there's no breather, only the fire. The vessel is not separate from the wind it holds. When restraint and breath align, the ancient stories all. Feedback loop of liberation, beautiful and terrible. Stop the lie, the body sits, the breath becomes smooth and stable.
no more meat from the tiger. No shadows left to hide. Original coherence rises, the one that never truly does.
Forging the vessel, breath, posture, and restraint.
Four blacksmiths hammering the same ingot with ancient flame.
Morning, night, Ishadana, evening, honest review.
Track it in your nervous system. Watch the old tiger lose its hold on you.
The tiger isn't killed, it's simply given nowhere left to stand.
What remains is the coherence.
Lightning fractures titan, each woven from here in the fire curtain.
Bring your field notes, soul traveler.